Could your neighborhood be silently increasing your cancer risk? New research from Yale shows alarming links between factory farms and cancer rates near you. A groundbreaking study from Yale researchers reveals a significant correlation between living near factory farms and higher cancer rates. The research analyzed cancer data across multiple states and found communities within a few miles of these massive industrial farms face a statistically higher incidence of certain cancers compared to those farther away. This raises urgent questions about the environmental impact of factory farming on public health. Factory farms produce vast amounts of waste that release airborne pollutants, including ammonia, hydrogen sulfide, and particulate matter. These substances contain carcinogens and toxic compounds that can infiltrate the air and water supply. Residents living close to these farms are exposed to these harmful chemicals daily, which the Yale study links to increased cancer risks. The study highlights that rural populations, particularly low-income and minority communities living near factory farms, are disproportionately affected. These groups often have less access to health care and environmental protections, making the health impacts even more severe. The findings suggest environmental justice concerns that demand immediate attention. In response to these findings, experts urge policymakers to implement stronger controls on emissions and waste disposal from factory farms. Improved monitoring and enforcement could reduce harmful exposure and prevent further public health crises. The study serves as a crucial data point for lawmakers debating agricultural and environmental reforms. If you live near a factory farm, staying informed about local pollution levels and advocating for better environmental protections is vital. Using air quality monitors and supporting community efforts can help reduce exposure. The Yale study underscores the importance of community action to safeguard health. This Yale study shows that if you live near a factory farm, your cancer risk may be higher due to pollution and toxic exposure. Stay alert, demand cleaner practices, and protect your family's health. For more updates on urgent health news, subscribe to Daily Q&A now.